Welcome! In this channel, we help you save more on your car expenses. If you plan to sell your used car, find out how to make top dollar by following these steps. The first step is to figure out where you want to sell your car. Typically, you will get the best price when selling your car to a private buyer because you get to negotiate directly with buyers and avoid dealer overhead costs. But they tend to involve a bit more work and time, so be sure you can afford to hold on to the vehicle until the right buyer comes along. You'll usually need to advertise the vehicle on your own. It can be advertised through online platforms like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, on dedicated sites like Autotrader.com or Cars.com, or even by placing a for sale sign in the window as you drive around town. Selling to a dealership is often a good choice if you are looking to get rid of the vehicle ASAP and don't feel like waiting for the right private buyer. However, this might not necessarily be your most lucrative option because dealerships are all about making money and will also need to sell your car to someone else for a profit. The bright side of selling to dealerships is that it allows you to shop around for the best offer, have your car appraised by multiple dealerships or companies like CarMax to find the best possible offer before making the decision. Trading in your vehicle at a local dealer could be the most convenient option if you're looking to buy a new or used car at the same time. This allows you to sell your vehicle to a dealership and apply that credit to the new vehicle you are buying from the same dealer. It's fast and convenient. You might not make as much as selling to private buyers, but you spend nothing on listing and selling. There's room to negotiate on the purchase price, and even potential to reduce sales tax on your new car. Next, understanding the value of your used vehicle helps you avoid selling your car for less than it's worth. Knowing what you can realistically get based on its condition and the current market, because if you ultimately set your asking price too high, you'll probably have more trouble selling it. Get an idea of the private party and trade-in values by researching your car's value using sites like Edmunds.com or Kelley Blue Book. These will be based on your car's specific features, mileage, location, and history. Things such as mileage, wear and tear, and past accidents can all lower your car's worth. For example, you want to price your car higher if it's still under warranty, has been maintained regularly, or just got new tires or brakes installed. Price it lower if the vehicle needs a major service, got into an accident, or if you want to sell it quickly. There are many factors that can help you decide when the right time to sell your vehicle is. According to industry experts, the best time to sell or trade your vehicle in, especially to a dealership, is during the first 2 quarters of the year. There are more buyers in the market early in the year and dealerships need more cars to feed the demand. Also, used car feels more new when it is 8 or 10 months away from turning a model year older rather than just 2 or 4 months away. A vehicle will depreciate in value significantly during its first 5 years or so. If you haven't sold it by then, there isn't much value in rushing to sell once you've reached that point. If your vehicle is about to age or mileage out of its warranty, that might be the right time to sell, because you will still be covered against unexpected mechanical issues before its extended warranty expires. Then give your car a deep cleaning before getting it appraised or meeting with a potential buyer, showing that you care about the smaller details like the seats, carpets, dashboard, and trunk, and let your buyer feel assured you've also taken care of bigger things like the engine, so that they are willing to pay a good price for the vehicle. You can show even greater attentiveness by cleaning the engine, making sure there's a full tank of oil, and changing tires and rubber trims before putting the car out on the market. No matter who you're selling your car to, they're going to want to see that you have taken care of the vehicle while you owned it. To let them have this peace of mind, you should provide up-to-date maintenance records that show you have the car inspected, change your oil, and rotate your tires regularly. You may also want to pay for a Carfax vehicle history report, which will include maintenance reports as well as any accidents, recalls, etc. on the vehicle if you are selling to a private buyer. The next step is to take good pictures of your car. Whether you can take listing quality pictures of the vehicle could be a make or break factor of the sale. After giving the car a good cleaning, being sure to take a handful of decent pictures showing the exterior, interior, engine, special features, areas of wear or damage, and the dash, including the current odometer. If your listing pictures are attractive and informative enough, it can increase the desire of potential buyers to schedule a test drive with you after they have checked out the pictures. One last step before you can put out a listing for your car is to write up a thorough description of it. In your listing, consider mentioning every single detail about the car while also being succinct. Here is a list of details you might want to include in your description. Squeezing every penny to get top dollar out of the car eventually comes down to how, when, and where you plan to sell. Whatever your approach is, there are steps like these you can take to try to sell your car for the most money possible. That's all for today's episode. Leave your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to save more on cars expenses, stay tuned. I'll see you next time.